Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another review for you. How are you today? Because I'm pretty good. I love the way this look came out. And this is the palette that I perfected it with. It's My Pleasure by Colourpop. This thing is so cute and the colors are amazing. I love purple, so this is right up my alley. It's so tiny, so it's like perfect for travel and everything, and it's super easy to hold in your hand. Unlike, you know, the Morphe palettes, they're huge and they're a little hard to handle, but this one is just so cute and tiny, and it comes with a mirror, which is perfect. And now, how about those shades? Can you see those? Like, really? Those are freaking beautiful. I'm obsessed. So, if you want to see how I got this look, just stick around. I'm gonna take this first shade Sleeper and put it all over the lid as my base color. I've already set my lids and put my foundation and everything on. I feel like this shade is gonna be hard to work with. These darker shades usually are harder to blend. It's actually working nicely. So that's a plus. Good job, Colourpop. You got it. I'm doing circle motions while I'm blending too. That looks really nice. Look at that color, oh my god. So nice. I'm already loving this look. And I'm not even really sure what I'm doing yet. Alright, now I'm gonna take this shade right here, Fan Fiction, and just put it over the top of that color. I feel like this side over here is harder to blend the purple with the pink. Like, it's just giving me a really hard time. That's better. So you just take that purple shade and blend it into the pink if you're having an issue, because that worked out. It doesn't look so harsh now. Now I want to do this other purple shade, and I want to put that in the outer corner over here, and then I'm going to do a cut crease as usual. They're my favorite things. There's a lot of fallout from this shade. Like, it's already like on my nose over here. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. It's a really pretty color though. Oh. So now I'm gonna do a cut crease, and I want to add this shade right here, this bare minimum shade, onto the lid, like right here, and see how that works. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. That is a lot, oh my god. Alright, it's not perfect, but this is it. And now I'm gonna put that shade, bare minimum, on the top of that. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. I really need some coffee. And most YouTubers have either Starbucks or Dunkin', and I have a Cumbies cup. Because your girl is broke. So I'm just gonna take that purple shade again and blend it a little bit into the cut crease. That's better. This is what it looks like so far. We're just about done. I'm gonna add a color in the corner. Now I'm gonna add, what color do I want? I think I'm gonna add this Earth Shine color into the outer corner. I mean, it doesn't do a whole lot for that color, but it's still really pretty shade. I just poked myself in the eye. Oh. Now, I'm gonna take this color, the darker color, and connect it at the bottom. Can you see the difference? That looks so pretty. I did a good job. At least in my opinion. Some people would probably be like, girl, you don't got it. But I don't care. I love doing makeup. This is fun for me. Allows me to be creative. And that's all that really matters. So girl, if you want to do makeup, or boy, whatever, go for it. Just fucking do it. So here's where I'm at with the look. I took the darker purple shade down into my waterline and smoked it out. I'm going to add the shade Mr. Sandman with my finger on the top of my lid, just to use more colors and to show you what they really look like. So I'm just using my finger and I'm gonna lightly pat it on the lid, just for a little sparkle, because I love a good sparkle. It's cute. I like that. Can you see the difference? Yeah, that's cute. Because I felt like when I swatched this color, it seems to be more of a topper, in my opinion. It just, I don't know really how it would stand on its own as a color, but she's cute as a topper, so that's how I'm gonna use her. I like that. I'm also gonna use the shade Earthshine. I'm gonna try and see what that looks like as a highlight, because I think that would be super cute as a highlight. So let's see. I'm gonna use my Morphe M501 brush. Ready? Can you see that? That's cute. Yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's a nice spot. I think I'm also gonna add some of this color on the brow. Oh yeah, that's cute. I love that. Oh my goodness. I love how this look came out. Alright, I wanted to use this lipstick. I wanted to use the Jeffree Star Androgyny color. I don't know, maybe this is too bright. I mean, it would help if I added the rest of it on my lips. Obviously, if you don't like this lip color or you don't have it, then go with whatever you want. It's all up to you, girl. Okay, so here's the finished look. So if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it. And if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button down below, subscribing, and hitting that bell notification so you can get all of my new uploads and watch them for me. I am so grateful that you've watched this video, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.